Hello.
Hello.
Today we're going to show you how to make some roasted seaweed. And I know that sounds really good, so we're going to try it out. All right, so we got our seaweed from Kroger and we found it. I'll show you what it looks like. This is the package. It's called a nori sheet, and that's a type of seaweed, and we got it in the sushi section at Kroger. So first you're going to put olive oil on top of the seaweed. You're going to sprinkle it on, make sure it's an even coat. And you're going to do that on both sides. And next we're going to take our spices mixture, which we just use salt and pepper and some other spices and add it to that. It's kind of your preference. And then sprinkle it on top. And once it's seasoned, we're going to place it on a skillet. So for toasting and roasting this seaweed, it's going to be about a minute to a minute and a half on each side.
And then after that's done, you want to flip it, and you know it's ready when the corners and the edges get like a light green. So,
yeah. So now our seaweed has been roasting for about a minute on each side, and you can see how the color is changing on the edges. So it's a lighter green on the edges, and that's when you know it's ready to go. So next we can actually take another sheet of seaweed that we've seasoned and put olive oil on. And to cook them together, you just stack it on top, and you're going to continue to do a minute on each side. So we'll flip it together. And then have it cook for about a minute until you see the lighter green edges. Okay, now that our seaweed is roasted long enough, we're going to take both of them together and show you how to cut it. So you take your dried seaweed and you're going to fold it in half and then crease it. And since it's crispy, it's going to break. And then from there, you're going to take a knife and you're just going to cut it into thirds. And it should cut pretty easy. And after that, just take it and stack it up. And then now you have your roasted seaweed sheets to snack on. And here we are.